22 miles of range, and Roanoke is 23 miles. So I don't know if I'm going to make it at this point. This headwind has just been destroying the battery. What the hell is this guy doing? Red light, not good. These chargers are not working. Bike is completely at 0% battery. I have no idea if I'm going to make it home or not. This is definitely the hardest that I've pushed the bike. It's so windy that all these branches, big branches, getting knocked down on my property. It's a great day to ride a motorcycle, you know? Today I'm riding down to Roanoke, Virginia. There's a Harley-Davidson dealer down there. I ordered some parts for my custom windscreen here. They came in, so I'm gonna go pick them up. I have my Webasto charger here and my Tesla adapter. Inside of here, bundled up, is my spare 12-volt battery, laptop for editing. I don't need the Webasto charger or the Tesla charger for anything because there's lots of J1772s down in Roanoke. Bringing it just in case. So a lot of people ask me about my windscreen. This is the compact FXLRS. I'll have it on the screen here where it's from. These are the brackets that come with it, and it can be mounted on the bike, but it's not perfect. It's not a perfect fit. I designed my own in CAD. These are out of plexiglass, and they've been holding up, surprisingly. I have ones that are aluminum that are coming in. I'm just waiting. But these are the quick release mounts, or brackets, that come with this windscreen. I broke 2 of them, and so I had to order new ones. Heading down to Roanoke, I'm going into a headwind, so it's like the perfect scenario for testing it. I just hope these little plexiglass, I guess as long as a rock doesn't hit this and shatter it, that should hold up. Alright, so right now it says I have 22 miles of range and Roanoke is 23 miles. So I don't know if I'm going to make it at this point. This headwind has just been destroying the battery. So I'm at 4%, 5% battery. Alright, these chargers are not working. Let's try the J1772. Alright, charging. Alright, so with the Tesla adapter, it's written on the instructions, written on the side of it, that you have to wait 30 seconds between plugging into the Tesla cable and then plugging it into your vehicle. I just had to pee so bad I couldn't wait to do that. So I'm gonna let the bike top up a little bit, and I'll try the adapter again just to make sure that that's working as it should. I think these are legit Tesla destination chargers, so they're like 11 kilowatt chargers. They're different than other ones that I've used before, which I guess are not as high quality Tesla chargers. Bike's charging. The 12 volt wattage, or 12 volt voltage, it's been holding strong, and I've been running my heated gear the whole ride. It's been holding at 14.5, 14.6 volts, which is what it should be doing. I don't know what the deal was on Monday, why the 12 volt was just getting destroyed. Why is the bike reading 1%? That's weird. It was at 4 or 5% when I first got here. All right, go back inside, let it charge up for a little bit longer. The bike isn't charging because the station's not working. That would explain why the bike wasn't reporting that it was charging. So I'm just gonna go up the road to a dealership that I've been to plenty of times before, finish charging there. Charging has started. Wow. Hey, y'all step away from my bike, please. All right. No, it's definitely a blast to ride. Not working. I was looking at the reviews for this place. The J1772 charger, it's like always broken. So that explains why I only got to charge for a little bit. There's a bear in this field over here. So it's got mange or something. What the hell is this guy doing? I thought you were trying to catch it. Alright, so bike is completely at 0% battery. Or at least that's what it's reporting. I have no idea if I'm going to make it home or not. I don't know what it was. Just the cold, the wind. All that stuff just really affects the bike. Alrighty. Alright. These clamps are really going to help out because it means I can switch the windshield back and forth between the bikes really easily. Chrome? It's the wrong ones.